Have you accidentally deleted an important Google Sheet and now can't find it? Don't worry. Depending on where the sheet was stored and how it was deleted, there are several ways you can try to recover it. In this video, I'll show you how to recover an accidentally deleted Google Sheet from Google Drive trash, what to do if you've permanently deleted it, and how to recover a downloaded copy from your PC using data recovery software. So let's dive in. If you just deleted a Google Sheet, don't panic. Click on the Undo button to reverse the accidental deletion. If you missed that option, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu and select Drive. You'll now be redirected to the Google Drive page. Click on Trash, and you'll be able to see the files that have recently been deleted from your Google Drive. Find the deleted Google Sheet, right-click on it, and select Restore. Your sheet will be restored to its original location in Google Drive. Keep in mind that deleted files remain in the trash for up to 30 days before they are permanently deleted. So, if you've accidentally deleted a Google Sheet, make sure to check the trash as soon as possible. But what if you've already emptied the trash? There may still be one option worth trying. For some permanently deleted Google Drive files, Google provides a file recovery request. If you're using a personal Google account, you can sign into your account and request Google to attempt to recover recently deleted files. To do that, open a new tab in your PC's web browser and search for Google Drive File Recovery Request. From the search results, open Google's official support page titled Recover a Deleted File in Google Drive Computer. Scroll down and click Request File Recovery. Now, sign in with the same Google account from which your Google Sheet was permanently deleted. Once you're logged in, follow the recovery questions shown on the screen. In my case, I'll select No here and click Continue. On the next page, Google will show you some important information and limitations about file recovery. Read through these points and then select Request File Recovery, and that's it. Your file recovery request will now be submitted to Google. Google will send you an email with an update about your recovery request. If the recovery is successful, your eligible deleted files may be restored to your Google Drive. Keep in mind that permanently deleted files aren't guaranteed to be recoverable, so you should submit the request as soon as possible after deleting them. However, things are different if you had downloaded a copy of the spreadsheet to your device. If you downloaded your Google Sheet as an Excel, CSV, PDF, or another file format, you're dealing with a file stored on your computer. For example, if you downloaded the spreadsheet as an Excel file and accidentally deleted it from your computer, first check the recycle bin. If you find the file there, right-click it and choose Restore. But if the file isn't in the recycle bin, you can try dedicated data recovery software. For this video, I'm going to use Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Just keep in mind that Stellar cannot recover a Google Sheet directly from Google Drive. This method is only for a downloaded copy of the spreadsheet that was actually saved on your PC. Before you start the recovery process, avoid saving new files to the drive where the deleted spreadsheet was stored, as new data could overwrite the deleted file. First, download and install Stellar Data Recovery Professional on your PC from its official website. Launch the software and select Office Documents. Then click Next and select Choose Location. A new window will appear. Select the folder or drive where your downloaded Google Sheet was originally stored, and click Select Folder. Next, click Scan and wait for the scanning process to complete. Once the scan is finished, Stellar will display the files it found. Select the file you want to restore and click Recover. If Stellar successfully finds the deleted spreadsheet, you should now be able to access the recovered copy on your computer. So, those are the different ways you can try to recover a deleted Google Sheet. If you accidentally deleted it, start by using the Undo option or check your Google Drive trash. If you've already emptied the trash, try Google's file recovery request as soon as possible. And if you had downloaded the Google Sheet to your PC and deleted that local copy, check the recycle bin first. If it's no longer there, you can try dedicated data recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery Professional. The most important thing is to identify where your Google Sheet was stored before choosing a recovery method. I hope this guide helped you recover your deleted Google Sheet. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and turn on notifications for more data recovery tutorials. Thanks for watching.